गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम माइक्रोवेव इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में दो चीज़ डिस्कस करेंगे। सबसे पहला TEM मोड इन सर्कुलर वेवगाइड और दूसरा एक्साइटेशन ऑफ द मोड इन सर्कुलर वेवगाइड। सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करते हैं TEM मोड इन सर्कुलर वेवगाइड। The very important question is that the why TEM mode is not possible in circular waveguide. Why it is not responsible to transmit the energy by using the TEM mode in circular waveguide. So answer of is that the hollow waveguide cannot support TEM mode because in 2D cross section in waveguide the area inside the complete is the completely enclosed by a conducting wall. Because inside the conductor we know very well that electric field is 0 by using the Gauss electrostatics law. Inside any conductor the electric field is 0. So if we consider the circular waveguide, then inside this one the electric field is 0. Earlier in the previous classes we have discussed this is called the electrostatic shielding. So this clearly shows that the TEM mode does not exist in the hollow waveguide due to this electric field is 0 inside it. Now, if you want to transmit the TEM mode, then what you have to do? So answer of this is that it is only the possible in the two conductor system. In place of the single conductor, single outer layer of the conductor, we have insert another conductor inside this one. Then this is called the two conductor system where the potential difference may exist. दोनों बीच में potential difference develop हो जाएगा and due to this one the TEM mode can be transmitted. So this is very important questions is that in the hollow waveguide any TEM mode cannot be transmitted. Now the applications of the circular waveguide where we can use this circular waveguides. So here we are discussing only the three applications of it. Number one, the circular waveguide are used for the short and medium broadband communications. If you want to get the broadband communication for a small distance and the medium distance, then we can use this circular waveguide. Now, if you want to get the long distance communication system, then we use the frequency that is about 10 gigahertz and it is using the TE10 mode. The second application is that TE10 mode is suitable for the long distance waveguide transmission about 10 gigahertz. And third, there are used in the rotating joints like the bands to connect the horn antenna feeding a parabolic reflector. If you want to connect the antenna, horn antenna to the parabolic reflector, then we use this circular waveguide as a band in the flow of the water like this one. Now, the method of excitation of the modes in the circular waveguide, that are the different types of the methods by which we can transmit, we can excite the mode inside this circular waveguides. So for this one we go to the basic concept of it, that we know that the electric field is generated with a polarization parallel to the electric current. Means if you get the parallel wires, then by using that one we can obtain the electric field. And for magnetic field, perpendicular to the loop of the electric currents, because this field is perpendicular to the loop, current carrying loop है उसमें magnetic field develop हो जाता है. So various modes like the TE and TM mode can be generated inside the circular waveguide by using coaxial lines probe or the loops, because the single lines cannot be used to produce this one. So we have to use the coaxial probes everywhere. If you want to transmit, if you want to insert the signal inside the waveguide, then we have to use the coaxial probes. So here we have discussed these three techniques. Number one, first figure, here the coaxial probe is there by which the TM01 mode is inside it, and by using this one, this can be excited the TM01 mode in this circular waveguide. And the second techniques, if you want to connect the rectangular waveguide to the circular waveguide, then what happens? In the rectangular waveguide, we have inserted the signal by using coaxial probes by the TE10 mode. And if it is connected with the circular waveguide, then this TE10 mode will be converted into the TE11 mode for the circular waveguide. So this is the methods, this is the techniques by which we have excites the TE11 mode in the circular waveguide. And the third, here there are the in the circular waveguide is connected diagonally opposite the rectangular waveguides. So if we the TE10 mode is here, then TE10 mode in the outside in both sides, and then inside the circular waveguide this will be again the same conditions TE11 mode. So the description of this one we can write the coaxial lines probe excites the TE10 mode in the rectangular waveguide, which is converted into the TE11 mode in the circular waveguide through the transition length in the between them. Second, TE01 mode directly excites the symmetric TM01 mode. And the third, TE10 mode is excited by means of the two diametrically opposite placed longitudinally narrow slots parallel to the broad walls of the connected rectangular waveguides. So these are the methods by which we can insert, we can probe, we can go through the signal inside the circular waveguides. So this is the techniques of the excitation of the different types of the modes, various types of the modes inside the circular waveguides. So this is sufficient for today. Thanks.